Identify the core constraint. The question asks for a process where a nucleus loses excess energy, but the atomic number, the number of protons, remains exactly the same. Understand the concept of nuclear excitation. Just like electrons, a nucleus can exist in an excited state with surplus energy. To reach a more stable, lower energy state, it must release this energy. Evaluate gamma ray emission. Gamma radiation, gamma, consists of high-energy photons, electromagnetic radiation. Because photons have no mass and no electrical charge, their emission does not alter the number of protons or neutrons in the nucleus. Confirm the atomic number stability. Since the proton count remains constant during gamma emission, the identity of the element, the atomic number, does not change. This makes it the only process among the choices that solely releases energy without transforming the atom into a different element. The correct answer is option D, gamma ray emission.